How to solve waiting for Wi-Fi issue in Google Drive. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can resolve the waiting for Wi-Fi issue while uploading any file in Google Drive. So you might have noticed, or it might have occurred with you, that whenever you try to upload a particular file in your Google Drive, it shows waiting for Wi-Fi whether you are using a mobile data. So basically the problem lies in the fact that Google Drive will only be transmitting the files over Wi-Fi and not via the mobile data. So let me show you how you can resolve this. So the resolve is very easy. What you can do is simply open your Google Drive, and as you can see, I was trying to upload this particular PDF file and it says waiting for Wi-Fi. So what you will need to do is simply click onto these three arrows over the top left corner of the screen, and then from here choose settings. Now under the settings you will scroll down and see data usage. Now inside the data usage it says transfer files over only Wi-Fi. So it uploading of files will pause when Wi-Fi connection isn't available. So simply disable this and then click onto this OK option and try to go back, and now you can see it is uploading, and once the upload finishes it will be successfully uploaded into my Google Drive. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.